tutorial on computer networks. Wireless computer networking. A wireless network utilizes radio waves and or microwaves to maintain communication channels between computers. Wireless networking is a more modern alternative to wired networks that relies on copper and or fiber optic cabling between network devices. A wireless network offers advantages and disadvantages compared to the wired network. Advantages of wireless include mobility and elimination of unsightly cables. Disadvantages of wireless includes the potential for radio interference due to weather, other wireless devices or obstructions like walls. Wireless is rapidly gaining in popularity for both home and business networking. Wireless technology continues to improve and the cost of wireless products continue to decrease. Popular wireless local area network products conform to the 802.11 Wi-Fi standards. The gear a person needs to build wireless network includes network adapters and access points. What is a computer operating system? Computers use low-level software called operating system to help people build and run their own programs. Operating system software runs not just on laptops, computers, but also on cell phones, networks, routers, and so-called embedded devices. The best known operating systems or those used on personal computers are Microsoft Windows, Mac operating system, and Linux. Some operating systems are designed for certain type of equipment, such as Google Android. It is a variant of Linux, and Symbian for cell phones. Solaris, DEC VMS virtual memory system for mainframe computers. Other operating systems enjoyed a period of notoriety but are of only historical interest now. Novell NetWare was popular operating system for PCs in 1990. IBM Operating System 2 was an early PC OS that competed with Microsoft Windows for time but had limited success. Multics was an especially innovative operating system created in 1960s for mainframe computers that influenced the later development of Unix. Difference between a URI and a URL. URI, it is called Uniform Resource Identifier. URL is called Uniform Resource Locator. A URI identifies a resource by meta information of any kind. URL locates a resource on the net, which means if you have a URL and the appropriate protocol, you can retrieve the resource. One characteristic of URI is that it gives information about the exactly one resource. Another is there can be more than one URI describing the same resource. Hypertext Transfer Protocol (HTTP). Hypertext Transfer Protocol is a networking protocol for distributed collaborative hypermedia information systems. HTTP is the foundation of data communication for the World Wide Web. The standards development of IITTP has been coordinated by the Internet Engineering Task Force and the World Wide Web Consortium, culminating in the publication of a series of requests for comments, most probably RFC. File Transfer Protocol. It is a standard network protocol used to copy a file from one host to another over a TCP-based network, such as the Internet. FTP is built on a client-server architecture and utilize separate control and data connections between the client and server. FTP users may authenticate themselves using a clear text sign in protocol but can connect anonymously if the server is configured to allow it. The first FTP client application was interactive command-line tools implementing standard controls and syntax. Graphical user interface clients have since been deployed for many of the popular desktop operating systems in the use today. Internet Protocol Address, IP address. An IP address is usually a numerical label assigned to each device participating in a computer network that uses the Internet Protocol for communication. An IP address serves two principal functions: host or network interface identification and location addressing. Its role has been characteristics as follows. A name indicates what we seek, an address indicates where it is, a route indicates how to get there. The designers of the Internet Protocol defined an IP address as a 32-bit number and this system, known as Internet Protocol version 4, is still in use today. Wi-Fi. It is a trademark of Wi-Fi Alliance. A Wi-Fi enabled device such as a personal computer, video game console, smartphone or digital audio player can connect to internet when within a range of a wireless network connected to the net. The coverage of one or more interconnected access points called hotspot when offering public access generally comprises an area of size of few rooms but may be expanded to cover a larger number of area.